What if you could mine Bitcoin without spending a single cent? No hardware, no deposit, and no electricity bill. Well, in this video I am starting from zero, building towards a mining income of $2,500 a year. I'll run every number on screen so you can see exactly how we get there. Let's dive right in. This challenge starts on GoMining. You can find my referral link in the description of this video. By using this, you massively help out the channel, but you also get a great head start to this challenge. That is because the moment you sign up using the link in the description, you get your first miner completely for free. It's a small miner, but it's a start. You're officially mining Bitcoin within 1 minute, with zero money invested. Then, after we have claimed our miner, our main objective is to knock out all the intro tasks in the app. Each one you complete upgrades the power of your bonus miner. This is free hash rate just for tapping some buttons. And it shouldn't be much work at all. You can do all of these within just a couple minutes. Now, GoMining's big welcome bonus is tied to buying your first custom miner. But this is a $0 challenge, so we're skipping it. No spending. That is our only rule. Our first real milestone is buying a custom miner. These start at around $8 on the secondary market. So by using just our free bonus miner, getting there would take roughly a year. It's free, so we really can't complain, but I think we can do a little better. Luckily, the solution to our problem wasn't hard to find. Meet the GoMining Visa card. It is free to apply for and it instantly does 3 things. First, you get a free permanent 1 TH/s miner just for signing up to the card. That alone multiplies our mining power by a lot. You also get 20% cashback on the first $100 you spend on the card and 5% on any spendings afterwards. But here's the part that makes this a massive part of our strategy instead of just another cashback. Our cashback isn't paid out in dollars. It is paid out directly in mining power. Every purchase you make doesn't just give you some money back, it permanently upgrades your passive income. You buy your groceries and your miner gets bigger. You pay your rent and your miner gets bigger. This is for everything. And forever. You're not spending extra money. You're spending money you would be spending anyways, but now you're converting a small piece of that into a source of passive income. Now let's run some numbers. Our cashback converts at $20 per terahash. For an average 3% cashback, that comes out to 1 terahash per $666 spent. Currently, every terahash in mining power earns us roughly $8 a year. Here's what that looks like at different monthly spending levels. Look at that 3-year column. Even if we spent just $500 a month on our card, we'd be sitting on 27 terahashes by that time. That is more than $200 a year in income, completely for free. And of course, the more we spend, the more we earn. At $3,000 a month, we're sitting on 162 terahashes, which is roughly $1,300 a year in mining profits. That is more than $100 a month. Crazy. But what if I told you that these rewards can get even more exciting? See, these rewards are paid out daily, which means that they compound. You can use the reward you earn from mining to buy more miners. So you're not just earning terahashes from cashback, but your mining rewards also pay for power upgrades. This way we snowball our passive income even quicker. Keep in mind that these numbers are very speculative, but here's what your investment could look like after 3 years. Up to $2,436 a year for doing absolutely nothing. And without spending a single cent. Not bad. Alright, quick reality check. Mining profitability depends on a lot of factors, including the Bitcoin price and the network difficulty. These numbers are simply a snapshot, and a very speculative one at that. This is in no way financial advice. It is just a challenge I'm running with money I'd be spending anyways. If you want to try this challenge with me, make sure to use the first link in the description. It gets you the free bonus miner to start with, it supports the channel, and it costs you absolutely nothing. That is the whole point of the challenge. If you've decided to try it, make sure to let me know your progress in the comment section below. And if you've got any questions, I'll be answering them all. For now, that is all I have to say. See you in the next video.